Hey everybody, just kind of starting out on a practice hike here. I'm gonna head out to the trails of Holly Springs and try to make it to Harris Lake today. All right, made it to the Mims Trail, which you'll see the start right over there. And just up the road here is the Holly Springs Cemetery. This is Irk Street. I like this cool house here. It's like a boxy thing, but yeah, we're gonna hit the trail. Coming up to the Greenway. This is such a busy street. I've had to wait here for a couple minutes just to cross and not have a lot of car noise, but I don't know what's going on here, but you can see the tape. This is a pretty new greenway. It's been here maybe a year. There was the other side of it that, oh, this is what they're doing. Check that out. Nice for the doggies and people. Water bottle filler. The other side was kind of hidden. You had to know which road to go to. And it was a little bumpy too. It was old, and it just really went to the tunnel. We'll see in a little bit. Went there many times, and now they connect this greenway to it and then added to the other side to a couple neighborhoods. This is a zigzaggy trail. Used to have a lot of drawings in here, interesting drawings. Since not many people came back here, it was often not cleaned up. You can see, looks like they try to keep it clean. Oh, look at there. Somebody built a cabin. Okay, well, this is a surprise. I came from the tunnel trail, and we've done several runs here where we come from just straight up there from the business park, and we run here and cut in. And the trail used to go somewhere over here. I'm thinking it's right over there, but this was not this wide open. Or maybe it's right here. It's unclear. We'll walk over here and check it out. I think I found the trail. Probably walked about a quarter mile up this clearing. Totally obliterated what trail was there. Got a little slippery there. Climbed up this hill. It's pretty steep, and streams down there that I crossed. There are some crazy people out here. I don't know if you can tell how steep it is. But just at the top is this, this bike ramp. They ride that thing. I've never seen it happen, but they jump that, and then down there. I'm having to hold on to this tree here so I don't slip and slide down this, because it's pretty hard to stand. Crazy stuff. So there's these signs. There's no trespassing Duke Energy, so I guess that is the property. I'm curious what they're building here. You can see there's work in progress. I tried to follow that fence. I thought I could just easily go around it, but it turns out I had to walk around. I was going down this trail, come out to this crossing, and it looks like it's some kind of road. The trail keeps going straight ahead. Trying to figure out if I should go the trail or stick to the path here. Okay, walking the trails. There's no fencing, so thinking this might be okay. I hope there is, and I hope I'm going the right direction. I pull up my map every now and then to see. There's this road here that this trail that I'm on just kind of snakes along. I mean, you can tell it's been a trail before this road was here. Don't know how much traffic it gets, but it's not soft, and it's pretty obvious where the trail is and where the trail isn't. Whoa! Sometimes there's a vine, but maybe this will just go along this road, and still trying to get to the lake. Got a little guy here. Hit a junction in the river or stream. Got some cool rocks over here. We're behind a neighborhood. You can hear some kids playing up there. This is cool. I always like seeing stuff I've seen before. You see how the hill goes up over there. So I just came across that creek over there, and we come here, and suddenly it changes a bit. It's getting a little marshier. See if we can zoom in. Way out there. He's watching us. Made it out to the lake. Took a little bit of exploring. Here's Harris Lake. See people out there on motorcraft, having some fun. Looks like some people do come here. I'm not sure how they get here, but you got random stuff, some tires, got tarp and things over here. I came out of the trail and there's this rocky road. Just came down this short hill, and then it looks like it just turns to mulch. I think this still takes us to the water. So I made it to the top of this mountain. What should we call it? Mount Duke Power, Mount Holly Springs. And I was down over there a few minutes ago, so I'm glad I didn't try to follow the creek, but you can see the creek kind of just going along. I'm not sure where this goes up here, but the creek does go down over there, so I'd like to stay near the creek if I can, rather than this open stuff. But made it this far and still making my way home. Great day of exploration, having a good time. So I just came from over there and down that hill, that's where the power lines were, and it looked like there was a trail here, and look at this. So I think I will walk this side. I had to cross the water there, but we'll walk down here just a little bit. Uh-oh. Something's going on up there. The bird's not happy. Look at this. There she is, our nuclear power plant on Harris Lake. So you see this hill behind me? I just came down that. I tried looking for a place to come down over there and it seemed very bushy. And that seemed like a cliff. So I just kind of made my way down and had this pretty easy crossing right here from the creek. So I'm going to try to navigate the creek and see if I can just follow it. So I know this will take me back. Hopefully there isn't too much soft areas like I'm hitting now, or grassy areas or banks kind of like that. Been looking for where I can cross this stream. It gets marshy over here. I think I'm just gonna have to stay up on this ridge for a while. I am glad that I came down the hill, bushwhacked a little, crossed the stream to come over here because you get sights like this. So pretty. I wish they would make some trails back here. Looks like somebody's making some kind of lean-to or a greenway. It'd be so nice. Hopefully this path will keep me along the creek. I can walk a little faster and it's shadier. We'll walk down here. Check this out. Yes, sir. Check that out. Very cool. Man, it gets deep in there. Look at those fish. Those were huge. You never know what you find out here. I've seen all kinds of shelters and some tents, but got a big tire. Been out here as long as I know. This guy, it's about 5 feet. Where'd he go? There he is. Let's see if we can get him. He's in the bushes there. A frog there, I don't know if you can see it. Let's get out of the shade. Back at this river crossing, and I am too chicken to cross that bridge. So I just waded across right there. Battery is dying. I'm gonna try to make it here up to the store to try to maybe charge my phone just a little bit. Grab something to drink, a snack. But coming into downtown or the Village District of Holly Springs. Sitting here at Pace Yourself. Decided to grab a beer on the way home. Good place to get something to drink. Get some shoes. See Pace Yourself over there. Just left Pace Yourself, had some tasty beverages, and walking down Holly Springs. This is like one of my favorite areas. You got some of these historic homes here. It's been a long day. Happy to get it over with. You can see back. This is actually one of my favorite views right here. Through the crepe myrtles to the historic house.